The famous Parisian Tower is known to everyone, but almost no one knows that it absolutely should not exist today. This immense mass of heavy beams was conceived as a cold and useless temporary installation. Tourists are madly in love with this colossal metallic mountain, yet the secret is dark. The majestic and proud structure hides an incredible mystery that historians wanted to completely conceal. During the magnificent 19th century World Exposition, the work was meant to humbly honor the nation. However, the entire and highly refined intellectual world deeply despised that very tall gray antenna. Very famous poets and great writers signed fierce manifestos to stop that horrendous urban visual atrocity. They defined the bold construction as a ridiculous giant chandelier and a truly unbearable factory. The dark smoke and the constant noise of the steelworks seemed to have desecrated the pure heart. Yet a brave, stubborn engineer decided to challenge the mighty nation to realize his grand utopia. Gustave Eiffel knew perfectly well that he could master the powerful and relentless forces of wild nature. His fascinating idea was not to build a trivial monument, but an immense outdoor research laboratory. The staggering numbers of this project made even the largest and most renowned builders tremble heavily. 10,000 heavy tons of pure black iron were shaped to fit together with total perfection. The amazed world watched in astonishment as the massive stone foundations penetrated the mud. Incredibly, the complex tasks of titanic assembly continued with a terrifying speed never seen before. 2 intense years, and just a few months, were more than enough to comfortably raise the incredible skyscraper among the clouds. 2.5 million massive steel bolts were manually secured with superhuman precision. However, the sudden dizziness represented a lethal and feared enemy for the agile teams of tightrope walkers. The brave acrobats worked serenely suspended in total emptiness without modern safety measures. Extraordinarily, the strict order managed on the construction sites happily minimized the very serious fatal accidents. This massive and gigantic metal skeleton rose relentlessly towards the sky, astonishing the great enemies. But the official government deadline still loomed threateningly over the great dream of the brilliant and bold genius. The harsh state agreement unfortunately sanctioned the inevitable demolition of the monument after 20 long years. The triumphal building was supposed to collapse sadly to end tragically melted down like a useless scrap. Then the engineer secretly devised a brilliant countermeasure to definitively avert this fate. He cleverly arranged a luxurious private apartment situated above the gray clouds. No ordinary Parisian citizen could even slightly cross the magical threshold of that unique scientific paradise. From that safe and silent privileged nest, he watched the lightning tear through the dark night sky. Great minds like Thomas Edison were warmly welcomed in silence to discuss enlightened science. But the wonderful den perched at altitude was by no means enough to guarantee absolute safety for the giant. The true and unexpected ray of salvation descended directly from the study of invisible waves. The emerging and exciting radio technology urgently required very high and isolated platforms. Eiffel cleverly and foresightedly offered the supreme summit to the army for some secret experiments. The country's army immediately understood the incredible and immeasurable value of this enormous iron perch. The gigantic engineering work facilitated the secure interception of weak frequencies radiated from afar. Suddenly, that deeply hated mass miraculously turned into the nation's best shield. When the First Tragic World War broke out fiercely, the horrible antenna avoided numerous defeats. The vigilant operators quickly intercepted numerous enemy messages, blocking every attack. These immeasurable and vital successes completely erased the old and selfish plans of politics. The strange metallic work had finally earned, with immense courage, the sacred right to survive. Yet another astonishing mystery makes this immense web truly unique among all fixed architectures. Few explorers know that the rigid iron mountain reacts almost biologically to drastic natural stimuli. Unlike the ancient castles made of solid stone, this grand and formidable work breathes. The intense rays of the powerful summer sun incredibly warm the hard black beams. This enormous and natural overheating relentlessly pushes the peak gently upward. The titanic structure measures a full 15 long centimeters more than its winter height. However, the enormous and surprising thermal expansion does not embody the strangest mechanical marvel at all. Due to the extremely high temperatures of the scorching daytime sun, the sides bend away from the heat source. The famous and imposing architectural masterpiece dances mysteriously, drawing enormous ovals. When the cold, relentless darkness of night inevitably arrives, the immense organism contracts its magical forms. Such formidable physical elasticity allows one to survive unscathed the storms capable of uprooting trees. The furious and relentless autumn winds violently push the pillars, which, however, bend with immense gentleness. Subjected to monstrous storms, the rigid and terrifying upper spire has deviated by only 12 centimeters. Instead of enduring the pointless catastrophic breakage of the metal, the tower suffers the destructive assault. The complex and perfect openings of the majestic lattice allow hurricanes to pass through it. The exhilarating mathematics of this fabulous, superb aerodynamics has actively inspired modern designers. However, even this seemingly invulnerable and eternal metallic god fears a dangerous, lethal parasite. The aggressive and very fast wet rust voraciously attacks the delicate joints and the numerous ancient plates. To definitively evade the lethal infection, the authorities summon the elite of the very skilled master painters. Punctually every 7 rigorous years, an astonishing aesthetic metamorphosis begins that enhances the entire monumental work. 60 tons full of dense protective liquid are stoically lifted by the fearless, bold artisans. The entire scene, ancient and inviolable rules demand the laborious use of tiny hand brushes. The practical use of very modern spray guns against Parisian metal is absolutely not allowed. This heroic Carthusian practice lovingly protects the great monument without dispersing deadly poisons into the air. The scornful and strong gusts at high altitude cruelly complicate the daring mission, turning it into an endless agony. In addition to the obvious enormous weather difficulties, the acrobatic workers must mix 3 different colors. The large and powerful foundations visually rest using refined dark shades to anchor the long legs. As it ascends into space, the hue fades into soft and warm, reassuring shades. This targeted and highly effective optical illusion gives the lower spectators the idea of an absolute monolith. Yet the lovers who kiss under the arch are unaware of the surreal story of a brilliant, criminal, and mad deception. After the tragic horrors of war, the extremely high cost of restoration nearly touched the nightmare of a severe bankruptcy. A famous and cunning foreign con artist desperately rode that dark moment to rob unsuspecting souls. The sly and cynical impostor shamelessly collected 6 rich merchants while posing as a serious, corrupt, and greedy minister. He insidiously illustrated the impending fiscal disaster by stating the tragic and certain demolition. The best and most naive bidder falsely obtained the privilege of carefully dismantling the impressive tonnage. The cursed genius of deceit pocketed outrageous bribes and vanished into the darkness, leaving the victims blind. Out of burning shame in the face of the ruthless mockery of their peers, the poor victims remained silent about the enormous fraud. But this shocking tale sadly demonstrates the complete insecurity of losing the masterpiece born too early. Indeed, this titanic constructive challenge presented further insurmountable efforts due to revolutionary hoists. The renowned European companies were fearfully giving up on developing adequate complex elevators. The very particular curved and unbalanced lines terrified the most experienced engineers of the great and old continent. Only a few inventors from overseas brilliantly grasped the correct use of the gigantic, powerful pistons. Immense volumes of extremely heavy water, pumped deep down, elegantly overcome the overpowering force of gravity. These astonishing and admirable hydraulic engines still serve to gently lift many excited tourists. No modern visitor understands the immense technological effort brilliantly hidden behind those fluid ascents. Yet the proud Iron Lady pays a magnificent tribute to those who laid the solid bricks. Hundreds of brilliant and skilled artisans permanently carved magnificent golden letters on the immense outer edge. 72 glorious and honorable French scholars boast the deep engraving of their respectable surnames in iron. This invincible and massive armor of pure wisdom masterfully stopped the venomous tongue of the fierce detractors. To deny and destroy the brutal grid meant to blindly offend the sacred pillars of the immortal sciences. These famous shining names pleasantly contrast with the dull darkness and bestow wisdom upon that unbeaten and proud colossus. The unyielding steel giant has even managed to survive completely unscathed through every disastrous and crazy war. The powerful enemy armies invaded the square, desperately yearning to display the grim flag at the ultimate point. However, valiant hidden rebels relentlessly cut the long cables of the elevators. The haughty and cruel rulers had to struggle to climb on foot through the painful, biting cold wind. The invulnerable mountain cheerfully mocked the powerful despots, undeniably affirming its proud rebellious spirit. Since that memorable day, the nation has understood that it possesses a silent, incorruptible, and loyal steel guardian. The work has become inseparable from the image of the capital, far surpassing the beautiful and ancient royal palaces. Its indomitable essence blooms irreparably and completely in coincidence with the exciting and wonderful twilight. The entire scene romantically envelops the metropolis. The rough alloy sinks away. The rigid and dark figure almost magically disappears into the night sky, preparing for its most extraordinary magic. The smoky and dangerous flammable lamps of the past gloriously hand over the crown to a new sci-fi installation. Honey-colored beams of light flow harmoniously over the dark skeletal limbs, wonderfully softening the veins. This magnificent golden garment invaluable warms lonely souls during the very sad and cold winter nights. The sharp and menacing shadows of the pylons dissolve into an incredible and romantic embrace of extreme divine sweetness. But the extraordinary magic of this beautiful work goes wildly mad as soon as the exact hours strike mercilessly. The perfect evening astronomical beats activate a wonderful hidden mechanism that leaves the world breathless. Over 20,000 special fireflies explode in unison, wonderfully illuminating the area. For a full 5 long and eternal minutes, dazzling with an uninterrupted dazzling sparkle, a fabulous rain falls gently. This fantastic cosmic storm of pure light gently and warmly envelops the immense spirit of lost dreamers. Rigorous engineering and strict fluid dynamics pleasantly cancel each other out in the face of the wonderful, indescribable power. The cold mathematical calculation melts like pure snow in the sun, in the face of this impalpable, fairy tale-like, and pure beauty. No other monument has the formidable ability to unite distant peoples with a single golden flash. This unparalleled human triumph forever silences the dull echo of old, fierce criticisms. The ancient and snobbish intellectuals who desired demolition have now faded and are lost in human memory. Instead, the much despised and humiliated secular cathedral continues unwaveringly to win hearts in every corner of the planet. The improbable industrial monster has silently and wonderfully become the undisputed muse of art. Visionary directors obsessively frame this magnificent silhouette to tell the greatest love stories. Famous and talented painters mix bright colors, desperately trying to capture its soul. Even the melancholic musicians dedicate poignant, immortal symphonies to this sweet, fixed lady. The dizzying heights continue to secretly inspire the minds of great and modern space designers. Many do not understand that this monumental structure is a huge warning for the entire brave human race. It constantly whispers to us that truly incredible revolutions greatly frighten conformist masses. The initial and fierce popular hatred represented only the great and strong human terror towards an unknown future. Gustave Eiffel endured enormous public humiliations and fierce attacks in order to defend his brilliant vision. The entire scene, his indomitable and admirable intellectual courage, forged a resilient and lasting character. Today, the descendants proudly gaze at the celestial expanses daily caressed by this slender spear. Thousands of hard-working laborers sacrificed their tireless youth to raise these perfect columns. Their muscles, drenched in sweat, lovingly shaped the hard material, giving it an indestructible spirit. During the terrifying and cold winter occupation, the troops tried to morally bring down this symbol. They wrote arrogant and threatening glowing messages on the pylons, hoping to break hearts. But the proud capital continued stoically to turn its weary eyes upward, finding great comfort. The fierce lady passively endured every vile outrage, knowing that the radiant dawn would soon return. At the end of the ruthless and dark tyranny, the metal net began to shine again, warming the poor wounded souls. Nowadays, the most renowned engineers methodically inspect every square millimeter using fantastic ultrasound tools. This impressive and continuous millimetric analysis ensures the perfect health of the fundamental joints. Many invisible and silent sensors constantly listen to the mysterious groans of the metal under great strain. The entire immense structure vibrates like a colossal cosmic guitar caressed by powerful strong winds. It is deeply moving and poetic to think that this rigid artificial material has its own personal and true heartbeat. The complex acoustic symphony generated by atmospheric impacts incredibly fascinates modern contemporary researchers. Researchers passionately record low frequencies to unveil the secrets of such absolute longevity. From the pointed peak, one enjoys a superb and wonderful panorama that instantly erases every vain thought. Millions of people of different nationalities happily embrace on this very high and cold steel terrace. That dark and heavy, detestable mountain has accomplished the glorious miracle of world brotherhood. No sword or bloody war could ever achieve this formidable and sincere world peace. All the incredible emotional power surprisingly lies hidden in a titanic and simple web of beams. This gigantic and majestic cathedral, without gods, will forever solemnly watch over all humanity. Ephemeral birth, it has taught the whole world that true beauty can withstand time, proud Iron Lady. Quickly subscribe to the channel to discover with us countless and exciting secrets of grand engineering.